To begin the tutorial, from the Training Center, open up the drawing for the Objects tutorial. Choose the split view. Set up your 3D view so that you're looking at the fireplace in the living area. And set up the 2D view so that the living space mostly fills up that pane in your workspace. Click the Content Library tab, and in the first drop-down, choose Furnishings. Click Decoration, and from the Karastan rugs, choose Traditional and Persian, and find the Karastan Agra Red Area Rug. Using your left mouse button, drag the rug into the 3D workspace and release to place it in the room. Notice that the object now appears selected in the 2D workspace. Position the cursor on the perimeter of the object. The cursor changes shape to indicate that you can drag the object to a new location. Click the Rotate tool, drag the perimeter around to rotate it. You can add furnishings in either the 2D or the 3D workspace as needed. For the next step, go back to the Content Library. Select the Living Room Library and Chairs. A variety of chairs are available. We'll choose this leather recliner and add 2 along the edge of the area rug. And now we'll rotate them. You can select a chair. In Tool Options, enter an angle. Type in 180 and press Enter, or use the Rotate tool and drag it around manually. You can move these with your mouse and cursor, or use the arrow keys and nudge the selection in one direction or another. Now let's put chairs on both sides of the fireplace. Back to the Furnishings Library, and in the Chairs, scroll down and find this Chippendale chair. Before adding, right-click on the chair and choose Add to Favorites. This will make the chair much quicker to locate as you reuse it in your designs. From the drop-down, click the button on the right to access your favorites grouped by library. Add the chair as you normally would. Rotate each to point at an angle toward the center of the room. Next step will be to add a sofa, and we'll use a similar style. We'll go back to our living room, and this time choose Sofas and Love Seats. Choose this Chippendale sofa and drop it into the drawing. Click the Rotate tool and rotate it into position. And either use your arrow keys to nudge it or drag it over towards the edge of the carpet. Now, the chair and the sofa do not match in fabric. In the 3D window, choose the Find Applied Material or Eyedropper tool and click the sofa. It finds the material. Drag it over to the chair and Smart Wand will appear and give you options to apply the material. Choose Replace Matching Material on Entire Object to swap out one material for the other. Take a moment and finish your drawing by adding the rest of the objects. Tables, the mirror on the wall, and so on. Switch to Full 3D View for a broader view of your work. Sometimes you need to get an overall view of your furniture layout. Use the Room View Navigation tool to get a top-down 3D view of the entire room.